In this video, I will demonstrate the process of restoring the default app icons on a Samsung Galaxy device. To begin, access the Settings app. Scroll down and select Themes. Then tap on the menu icon and choose My Stuff. Under the Icons tab, you will see the currently selected icon pack. To restore the default app icons, tap on the Default Icon Pack option. A pop-up message will appear, warning that some apps may close and unsaved data may be lost. Ensure that all unsaved data is saved before proceeding. Tap on the Apply button to confirm the change. The device will apply the default icon pack, which may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you can exit the Themes app and the Settings app. By following these steps, you can easily restore the default app icons on your Samsung Galaxy device.